Hey roses, it's Olena. Let's see what I got from Born Pretty. Let's see. Shout out to Born Pretty for sending me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I'll have my discount code on the screen in case you want to, use and support me and let Born Pretty know that, you're supporting me. So anyway, let's see what we have here. First item I have here, we have some gel polish, and this it's called Light Years Away. The code on this is MY515. I wonder if this is a cat eye. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys have tried out this color. Oh my goodness, look at the sparkle and shine. With every stroke of this brush, it's just sparkling away. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Y'all see that? Okay, so again, this is Light Years Away Reflecting Cat Magnetic. Then we have this one here, Satin White LW32, and this is a color gel polish. I'm thinking this might be like a milky white. Oh, ooh. Okay, I don't have this color at all. This does have that satin look to it, which is, to me, when I think of satin, I think of the pearlescent look. And that's what it's giving me. You see what I mean? You see that? Doesn't it remind you of a string of pearls? This is so pretty. And this is something I do not have. Okay, third item I have here. This is called the Born Pretty Ocean Wave Watercolor Liquid. Now this I actually wanted. I saw Jeannie was using this and I mentioned that, oh, that looks interesting. And look, I have it. This I think is going to give me, well, basically it shows it on here. It gives that bubble effect for all the beach designs and ocean designs. Now I do notice with this scent is a little bit stronger than the other two gel polishes. And I wonder if it's whatever that's in here that causes it to do the bubble effect. Oh my goodness, it happens immediately. That was just one stroke, y'all. So as it sits here, it just like breaks down. I wonder if I can make it break down even more by like poking at it. No. You know what? Wait a minute. I think this is air dry because it sure felt like it. Let me see. Oh yeah, y'all. This is air dried. That's why there's more of a scent. Okay. I'll try it on another one because I want it to look just like the foamy look or bubbles or whatever that be on the beach. So I'm going to take as much as I can of this off of the brush. And then, or maybe I should put more on the brush. I don't know. Maybe I didn't have enough. Let's try it one more time, y'all. I'm gonna get the hang of this. Sometimes, with new products, you just gotta try it out in different ways and see what's gonna work best. Oop, I didn't want to do that. You know what? It must be more because where it dripped at, look at that. You can really see that's really looking like the foam. That's looking like it too. So maybe when I put it on the nail, I'll just do like a little squiggly motion. That really looks like it. Oh my gosh, and it's air dry. You know what? I'm kind of liking that these companies that are known for gel polishers are coming out with more air dry options because that doesn't limit it to people who don't like to use gel. This is an option, and if you want to go ahead and do that beach effect on the nail, there you go. I like that. Out of all three, I like this one the most. Out of the three examples I showed you of the Born Pretty Ocean Wave Watercolor Liquid, which one do you like the best? And I'll be using these in the upcoming video. So if you want to make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and if you are subscribed, make sure your notifications are on. That way, you know, you can see when I do a video or even a reel. Okay, so this is, so this must be the new and improved Born Pretty Builder Gel, the 8-in-1. Now, I actually have this, but I think it's the old formula. Definitely not the new packaging at all. And this is in the color 01. You know what? Actually, I thought I had an 8-in-1, but I had the 6-in-1. So this is 8-in-1. Ooh. It's still in a 15 ml bottle. So since it's 8-in-1, let's find out what this particular one does. You know, in the boxes, they always include, you know, the how-to and all that. So I know you can use this to build an apex, for nail extension, probably use this for a base gel. I'll actually show you here. I'm going to look it up on the website to tell you exactly what this 8-in-1 can do. If you're looking for something to protect your nails at all time, whether you put anything on top of it or not, get you some of this 8-in-1 builder gel. That way you'll be able to use it just, you know, as a builder gel or for 7 other ways as well. There are other colors. In the last 2 items, I will probably be using this for one particular set. From what it looks like here, I'll probably use this, well, it's to glue. It's their nail tip glue, which I can use for press-ons, but really, I could use it on regular tips. Okay, so this is brush on. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer the squeeze out nail glue or do you like brush on? And this is a nail glue remover. 3 seconds to remove. Okay, and it's a spray. Let's just spray it out. Let's see. Okay, it sprays out. It sprays out into like a mist. Okay, well, this will be something I'll be trying to see if it works. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending me these products. I'm going to have fun with these. Y'all tell me, which of these products should I try first? Y'all let me know, but I am so thankful for these products. Shout out to Born Pretty again for leaving something wonderful on my doorstep, and don't forget my discount code. Other than that, roses, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.